Good afternoon. This is Attorney Catherine Henry. This is just a quick little video to remind you not to forget about the people of Detroit. A lot of you probably have heard about State Representative Karen Whitsett, who tested positive for COVID-19 and was near death until she was able to get hydroxychloroquine. She ended up making it to the White House to meet with President Trump, to talk about that drug, to talk about her experience with COVID-19. And instead of ensuring that the wisdom could be gleaned from her experiences, the powers that be in the Michigan Democratic Party decided that they were going to ostracize her and make an example out of her, and basically kick her out of the Democrat Party here in Michigan. Despite that, Karen's on a mission. She's on a mission to help the people in her district. She's on a mission to help the people of Detroit. So, a couple months ago now, the governor issued an executive order restoring water service to the people of Detroit who had their services shut off for non-payment of their bill. However, at least a month later, many residents of the city of Detroit were still without water. Not all of them, but many. And still to this day, the people of Detroit are struggling. Many are struggling to survive in ways that the rest of us just don't understand. What a lot of us do understand is that local food banks and church programs and social service agencies, food trucks, all kinds of different things where people have come together and are regularly helping those in their communities with food, clothing, other necessities. Those things are not happening now. Some because of a fear of COVID-19 itself, but a lot of them because of the restrictions the governor has put in place with these executive orders, which have essentially shut down the people that would have been helping in some way. So Karen Whitsett is asking for people to help those in her district. She's asking for PPE, personal protective equipment. She's asking for refrigerators, stoves, food. They have been getting donations of mini refrigerators and toaster ovens, as well as some food and PPE, but obviously, especially things like food, once you eat it, it's gone. And the people of Detroit are still hungry. So, water still being shut off. And the governor did not find it necessary to stop those shutoffs back in February. So some people still don't have water, and many don't have food or necessary supplies. Anyone, whether you're part of a big organization, a big church, you have a company, or you're just an individual person and you want to help, Karen is asking that you reach out directly to her. The governor's office is not going to help the people of Detroit. State Representative Karen Whitsett is helping the people of Detroit. So if you have things that you would like to mail, please mail them to 11406 Littlefield Street in Detroit, 48227. If you have some bigger items and you need to coordinate with Karen Whitsett about the delivery of those items, please email her at KM as in Mary, Whitsett, WHITSETT at iCloud.com. I will also try to remember to go back in and edit the video in a little bit and add these so they're right there in writing for you. But again, if you are going to mail supplies to the people of Detroit, please mail them directly to an address provided by State Representative Karen Whitsett, and that is 11406 Littlefield Street in Detroit, Michigan, 48227. Or you can email for the coordination of some bigger items like mini refrigerators or toaster ovens or whatnot, and that email is KMWHITSETT@iCloud.com. All right, everyone, that's all I have for this video. Thank you.